Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and a safe battery level, then enable the feature. Open Settings, go to Power and Battery, and flip Energy Saver on. Once done, make sure you grant any permissions prompts so automated policies can apply. You should see immediate changes to background activity and screen brightness. These are intentional reductions to save power. If you plan to schedule it, choose start and end times now, because scheduling prevents repeated manual toggles later. Next, you tailor how aggressively the system saves power. Choose a CPU throttle level. Low keeps responsiveness, aggressive maximizes savings, and set screen dimming to about 50% or a value you find readable. Then restrict background apps and reduce sync intervals to 15 to 60 minutes. This cuts network and disk use. Once configured, test common tasks to confirm responsiveness remains acceptable and make iterative tweaks. Remember that lower sync rates save more energy, but may delay notifications. Finally, lock in your settings and watch outcomes. Enable notifications and check weekly usage reports to validate battery improvements. Run a 30 to 60-minute routine task, streaming or browsing, to compare battery drain before and after. This confirms real savings. If performance problems appear, make one change at a time or reset Energy Saver to defaults and then reapply your preferred tweaks. One key troubleshooting tip: if apps misbehave, disable restrictions for that app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.